This is Daily Trivia. 10 questions. Let's begin. Which viral TikTok baking trend of 20 popularized by @Baker by Nature involves creating a dessert with a molten chocolate center that oozes out when cut? You got it, molten lava cookie. Which viral TikTok food challenge, often featuring excessive amounts of spicy ramen, led to widespread concerns about health and safety among young participants? You got it, the Hot Chip Challenge. Which pizza chain partnered with Microsoft in 2024 to test AI-powered delivery route optimization, aiming to reduce delivery times and fuel costs? Correct, Domino's. Which of these popular chocolate brands is known for its iconic kiss shape and foil wrapping? Nailed it, Hershey's. What is a Karen in internet slang as it commonly relates to restaurant culture? That's right. A customer perceived as entitled or demanding beyond the scope of what is appropriate. Which global ice cream brand, known for its elaborate and pun-filled flavor names, was co-founded by Jerry Greenfield and Ben Cohen? Nailed it, Ben & Jerry's. What globally popular coffee trend, often featuring whipped coffee over milk, gained massive popularity on TikTok in 2020 during pandemic lockdowns? Boom, correct, Dalgona Coffee. Which fast food chain, known for its creative menu items and viral marketing, partnered with Travis Scott in 2020 for the highly successful Travis Scott meal? That's right, McDonald's. Which food science process, often used in the production of plant-based meat alternatives and trending on TikTok for its ability to create caviar from fruit juice, relies on the reaction between sodium alginate and calcium chloride to form small spheres? You got it, spherification. Which of these popular street foods, often seen in mukbang videos on YouTube, originated in South Africa and consists of a hollowed-out loaf of bread filled with curry? Nailed it, Bunny Chow. If you scored 8 or higher, you're sharp. Come back tomorrow.